òtítọ́ àṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ ṣe ohun tí Asari Dokubo ohun tó sọ yìí wípé bí US military army tí wọ́n bá wá sóde Nàìjíríà òun ṣetán láti bá wọn jà wípé Nàìjíríà yóò sì jẹ́ graveyard fún wọn nígbà tó ń bọ̀ wá. Eléyìí ni ajìjàgbara fún àwọn Niger Delta tó sì jẹ́ olórí wọn tí a mọ̀ sí Asari Dokubo. Èyí ló ti jáde wípé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí Donald Trump sọ pé òun ṣetán láti orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà wá o tí ìjọba wà kan sí bí àwọn mùsùlùmí bí wọ́n ṣe ń pa àwọn kírísítẹ́nì ìlú ọ̀hún. Ó ní etí àwọn ti kún lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ látàrí gbogbo igbe tí àwọn kírísítẹ́nì Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n ń ké bí àwọn Islamic Jihad bí wọ́n ṣe ń pa wọ́n. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Trump ló sọ fún àwọn agbẹnu jíjà ìjà ará ìlú tá a mọ̀ sí the military war ní US wípé kí wọ́n gbáradì kí wọ́n ṣetán láti rí wípé wọ́n kọrí sí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà láti lọ rí wípé wọ́n ṣẹ́gun àwọn tí wọ́n ń pa ọmọdé tí wọ́n ń pa àgbàlagbà tí wọ́n ń pọkùnrin tí wọ́n ń pọbìnrin yìí tí wọn ò sì gbèsè àti pé gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ non-Muslim Christian òun náà ni wọ́n ti pa tán ní ìlú ọ̀hún.
They're killing record numbers of Christians in Nigeria, and they have other countries very bad also. You know that part of the world very bad. They're killing the Christians and killing them in very large numbers. We're not going to allow that to happen.
Nigeria said on Sunday it would welcome help from the United States in fighting Islamist insurgents as long as its territorial integrity is respected. That came in response to threats of military action by President Donald Trump over what he said was the ill treatment of Christians in the West African country. Nigeria, a country of more than 200 million people, is divided between the largely Muslim north and mostly Christian south. Islamist insurgents such as Boko Haram and Islamic State West Africa province have wrought havoc in the country for more than 15 years. The groups have killed thousands of people, but their attacks have been largely confined to the northeast of the country, which is majority Muslim.
Most of the victims of Boko Haram violence are Muslims.
Malik Samuel is a senior researcher at Good Governance Africa in Abuja.
It's not helpful to narrow this conflict to narrow it down to
ó tán lọ̀rọ̀ yìí ni àbí irọ́. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa là ń sọ wípé kí ni tí Trump kí ló fẹ́ wá ṣe. Níwòye tèmi kì bá dákẹ́ arákùnrin yìí kó wà nítorí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀mí ló ti sùn. Tá a bá ní kó mọ̀ wá ṣe bí à ń tà láti protect láti dáàbò bo àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì náà ni. Ṣùgbọ́n kí ni àǹfààní kí ni ìdùnnú fún ìjọba tí ò ṣe àǹfààní ìjọba tí ò wúlò fún ará ìlú, ìjọba tí wọn bìkítà fún ẹ̀mí àti dúkìá ará ìlú, ìjọba tí wọn ò rí tèmi àti ẹrù, ìjọba tó yẹ pé ohun tó wà lórí ẹ̀mí wọn báyìí òun náà ni bí wọn ó sì díje again fún 2027 wọn ò ronú bí ìwọ ṣe lè rìn tí wà.
We fight them. Let them come now. Allow the Americans to come. Which America? We are growing up. We said 12 days war. How many days war had gone? We will finish, we will do this. The world is waiting. The world is waiting. The monopoly in science and so on by one group of people is gone. We have entered a new era where everybody eyes is open. So many empires had risen. We saw the Egyptian Empire. We saw the Greece Empire. We saw the Roman Empire. We saw Persia. We even saw the Muslim Empire. They all fell. Maybe Trump is the coroner for the fall of the American Empire. Maybe Trump is the coroner for the fall of the American Empire. This man just stands up, he stands up, when he wakes up, he just says whatever. Are we talking of Muslims or am I not a Muslim? Nnamdi, am I not a Muslim? Let them not say most Christians have been killed. More Muslims have died in Nigeria than Christians. A group of evil people are killing people. And some of us had made effort. Yes, Daniel, I plan to fight America. Daniel Jerry, yes, I plan to fight them. Are they not human beings like us? When the time comes, you know whether we'll be able to engage you know whether we'll be able to engage them if they will live here. Let them come down. Maybe they'll fly in the air. They will come down. When they come down, whether they will live here. I think their own, if one person dies, it pains them so much. Let them come, whether they will live here. This land will consume them. Those who are going to be Mr. Nice with them, nobody is being nice with them. It's not about Christian, it's not about Muslim. Like I was saying before I was interrupted. That's how you Igbo people boast. We have seen your boast. We have seen your boast. You have come to Nigeria, you die in Nigeria. Maricon, AJC, you will die in Nigeria. Let Trump and you people come. That one will assure you, you people will die here. It will be your graveyard. Nigeria will be your graveyard. Everybody knows that people are being killed left, right, and center in Nigeria. This is not a lie. But is it Muslim? Is it Muslim? Is it Christian? I'm a Muslim. Who is in the oasis of non-Muslim? Non-Muslims. What I am today, I was not made by Muslims. What I am today, I was made by non-Muslims. You people talk too much. Don't worry, we are waiting. We always tell you, we don't just talk, we perform. We don't just come, we perform. To have somebody else's own to add to your own. God will curse America. The sick madman there. So no people ask for them. Which people they write? Go to the Igbo comment. I've gone to all the Igbo world. All the people celebrating. God bless Trump. Satan has blessed him and has cursed him. You want to go, go. You want to go, go. Don't say you want to force it. You cannot do it. Even if America come, we will fight them. Did America not go to Vietnam? How is Vietnam now? Did they not run? Where have they gone to and they have stayed? Let them come. Let Trump come with his America and with you people. You all die. This lunatic. He wants to annex Canada. He wants Iceland. He wants to kill the president of Venezuela. He wants to kill the supreme leader of Iran. He wants to finish up Yemen. This sick lunatic. And that's why when they talk about America is a sick country. A country of mad people. Insane people. And that's why they can elect a mad, insane idiot. A lunatic. That's why they can elect a lunatic as their president. That's why they can elect a lunatic as their president. South Africa is committing genocide against white. This one. But he cannot see the genocide in Congo. He cannot see the genocide in Gaza. He cannot see the genocide in Sudan. South Africa is committing genocide against white. Nigeria genocide against Christian. He wants Iceland. He wants annexed Canada. He wants to kill the president of Venezuela. He wants the president of Colombia to never step foot on American soil. Who wants to step foot on American soil? What's that for me to go and see in America?
Kan sí gbogbo kejì tí Fúlàní dẹ̀ ń gbé wọn tí wọ́n ń pa wọ́n tálẹ̀ tó ń gbòógì lọ́wọ́ wọn. Eléyìí òun náà ni ti Trump sọ pé òun bọ̀ wá o láti wá gbèjà àwọn Kristẹni tó wà Nàìjíríà. Ṣùgbọ́n kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Asari Dokubo náà bá Fariga òun náà fi gbé ta wípé kò jọ wípé tí wọ́n bá wádánwò á jẹ́ wípé wọ́n ṣe tán àti gbọ́jọ́ kú wọn ni. Eléyìí ló ń tí Asari Dokubo tó sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣé lóòótọ́ òun náà ní ìpànìyàn tá a mọ̀ sí Christian genocide ló wáyé lórí Nàìjíríà? Ṣé lóòótọ́ nìkan yìí ṣẹlẹ̀? Àwọn Boko Haram tí wọ́n dé yìí tí wọ́n ń pa ọmọdé tí wọ́n ń pa àgbà tí wọ́n ń pa ọkùnrin tí wọ́n ń pa obìnrin kì í ṣe Christian nìkan ni wọ́n ń pa mùsùlùmí náà, wọ́n ń pa mùsùlùmí Yorùbá, wọ́n ń pa mùsùlùmí Haúsá nítorí pé àjẹ́ndà wọn ni láti Islamize Nàìjíríà. Ìdí nìyí tí wọ́n ṣe gbé àjẹ́ndà Muslim ticket wá. Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà náà àwọn kan kóra wọn jọ tán pera wọn ní pásítọ̀ tán pera wọn ní olùṣọ́jọ wọ́n sọ̀pọ́ọ̀tì Muslim ticket nígbà náà. Èyí ló fún wọn láàyè tí wọ́n fi rí kíní ọ̀hún ṣe ní àwọn tí wọ́n mọ̀ wípé táwọn bá rí Muslim ticket yìí ṣe á jẹ́ wípé àwọn yóò sọ orílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà di ilẹ̀ mùsùlùmí nìkan. Èyí ló sì fà á tó fi jẹ́ pé lónìí tí wọ́n bá ń ṣe àyájọ́ ọjọ́ tí wọ́n máa ń tàmọ̀ sí World Conference lágbàáyé èyí tí wọ́n ṣe ní Saudi Arabia, wọ́n máa invite Nàìjíríà as a Muslim country. Ìyẹn ni wípé wọ́n ti ka Nàìjíríà náà sí Muslim country. Ìyẹn ni pé a ti ń lọ díẹ̀díẹ̀ léè tí ó sì lè ṣẹlẹ̀ nítorí pé gbogbo ẹni tí ò bá mọ̀ wípé Nàìjíríà ò kí ṣe country ló kù. Nigeria is a continent, a different language. Kò sí bó ṣe lè ṣe tí Haúsá bá gbà, Ìgbò ò ní gbà, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni Yorùbá náà ò ní gbà o. Ló túmọ̀ sí wípé gbogbo tíjọba ń ṣe yìí kò ṣeé ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ò lè sì lè ṣeé ṣe. Ìdí nìyí tí wọ́n ṣe ń fi ọwọ́ òfin tó lágbára mú àwọn tí wọ́n bá ṣe tán láti gbèjà àwọn ènìyàn wọn jà. Àpẹẹrẹ Sunday Igboho ó ṣe tán láti rí pé òun jà fún ìran Yorùbá, ẹ fọwọ́ òfin gbé, ẹ lé kúrò ńlú. Samuel Ekpa òun ṣe tán láti gbèjà àwọn aráàlú ẹ fọwọ́ òfin lò, ẹ ti má ti mọ́lélé nílùú òkèèrè. Kánú rèé òun sọ wípé òun ò fẹ́ òun ṣe tán àti gbèjà àwọn èèyàn jà, ẹ fọwọ́ òfin gbé ẹ ti mọ́lé, ẹ lè gbé láti Kenya within 48 hours wá sí Nàìjíríà. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn Boko Haram tí wọ́n ń pa àwọn ènìyàn wa wọ̀nyí ẹ lè rí wọn trace within how many months, how many years? Tí sọ pé Boko Haram kan rèé tẹ́ ti mú tẹ́ ti rán lẹ́wọ̀n how many years báyìí, how many years? But tó bá jẹ́ wípé ordinary citizen òun ló bá sọ̀rọ̀ òdì, òun ló bá sọ tí ò dáa, àwọn ìjọba yìí mọ bí wọ́n ṣe lè track it down within 48 hours. Kí la wá ń sọ? Níjọba yìí túmọ̀ sí pé ìjọba lọ́wọ́ sí ní tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, ìjọba mọ̀ ń pẹ̀, ìjọba nífẹ̀ẹ́ nú ẹ̀, ìjọba ń jẹ́ ń bẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ wò ó, ṣé lóòótọ́ ni ìpànìyàn ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Jos, ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àwùjọ àwọn Christian nítorí pé ibi tá a bá tí wọ́n ti ní rẹ́kọ̀dù nìyẹn. Àwọn ìlú kan náà ń bẹ tí àwọn Fúlàní ti lọ pa ní Kwara, ní Kogi, l'Èkìtì bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n a ò tí ì rí káwọn èèyàn ó gbé rẹ́kọ̀dù tí wọ́n jáde. Ṣùgbọ́n Jos àwọn gbé rẹ́kọ̀dù over 520 people were buried on a single day.
If my government is denying genocide, what will they say about this? United Nations, European Union, take note. This is the genocide of people that were killed on the fateful day of 7 March 2010. massacre at Dogona Hawa Plateau State. Names of big victims that were killed. Machineries were brought from Niger Republic. They were brought from Chad. They were brought from Burkina Faso, Senegal. They were hired into the nation. They mix up with those from Maiduguri. That's a Muslim state. Also from Gombe, Muslim state. In fact, they trooped into this place, Bauchi. This is the route that they took. By about midnight, they invaded this village. We are living peacefully in this Dogona Hawa. These are the victims of massacre. Double Bitrus, Chuan Bitrus, John Nash Ren, Ngoyisa Danjuma, all they are under the grave. Karos Nash, Lydia E. Danjuma. See the name, 100 is moving to 66. Ended by Israel Simon, Lydia Bulus Chuang, Da Labi Dung. And look at this place too. Dadung, Dagong Dung, Justina Gyang, Sani Pam, Victor Pam. To summarize, to go down to 126. Run top with Ungoti Tigwam. We move also to 127. Dan Juma Gob, Victoria Zang, Test Crooks. You have been looking for facts. Look at facts. To prove that Nigeria government are biggest liar. If they taught them, they would say Muslims are also killed. By who? By Muslim terrorists. After they have eliminated Christian from Katsina, from Zamfara, from Borno, what next? Then the Christian that escaped from the far north, Sokoto, they were able to locate and come back to Plateau State. Because, and they moved down to the south. They escaped their life. Now, the rural villages of Sokoto, Muslim state, Katsina, Muslim state, if you find a Christian, is in the town, the city, headquarters of the state. That's where there's security. But in the villages, Boko Haram has taken over the villages. Once you're a Christian, you can only be a Christian by serving them as slaves in the local government. Look at what has happened to 189. Look at this monument. It's a memory for what is happening. Chuan S. Dung Gyang boat moving down to 252 people. Joseph Johanna. Now let's go back to see the other side of the monument. It continues from 250. Zongdungzi, Chuangji, Jik, Da Gyang Pam Tang, Kumbo Gyang Tang. It moved down to 315. That is Nerat Jong. We move again to 316. Peace John, Ezekiel Pam. It moved down again to 378. That's Paula Joseph Nyam. Sure. It shift again from the top That Dungyang, when double, it moved down to 401 and 41. Dagom Elia was among them list. Mandung Christopher, that's 402. Garba Danjuma, he moved down to round up to 501. Apart from this list that are here, there are many. Only vultures that were dragged into those rocks. Women were dragged for raping that day. Come and see what happened. Look at the monument. Now can we say there was no genocide in those places? Children are there. There are two accounts of record. The one that I have here, you can see their list and their ranks in wherever they are. Children were battered. Children, they are among those names. And I have it here, compiled by my father, Reverend Danyam Dung, my brother. We have seen here the name of children and adults. Look at it. Ungola Rababulus, adult. Sandra Bitrus, child. Gabriel Bitrus, child. Ngo Yisa Danjuma, adult. Ngo Laraba Danjuma, adult. Timothy Ezekiel Danjuma, child. Lydia, child. Obadiah, child. And somebody will come out and say there was no genocide. This God that we serve, under this Muslim ticket, any Christian that will vote Muslim ticket, may God forgive him. May God show him mercy. He has received his number, 66. I cancel my faith to Muslim ticket. Nigeria is for all of us. Nigeria is for both Muslim and Christian. Nigeria have been working on Muslim and Christian, Christian and Muslim. Why now? That is marginalization. That is genocide. In the world of the politics, the Islamic people have genocide us by killing the Christian, becoming a second man in Asari. And the so-called Christian don't know what is happening. And those kind that came out and said there's no the grave, the death of these people is screaming in heaven. 501 people are here. 501. They are right inside it. 501. Please, and then the Senate are coming. Show them this. My Senate are coming to meet their colleagues. Senate, the screws, take this and present it to them. Is it not genocide? 501 people. And they were able to stand for Hamas and say Israel is committing genocide. What real genocide is in us? Look at the names that are here, there. They are right here in the grave. Dogonahawa. By the power of Jesus, we are coming back for real documentary. And we have done it, and we continue to show the world since Remo Amokri has invited to fact banding. Do you bring the American people to this place for fact finding? Did you bring them to this genocide ground? Remo Amokri, why didn't you bring them to Plateau to come and see this place? Are they not people? All are Christians. And you come out and tell me that there's also genocide. That even Muslims have been to shower down, to wash down that Christians have been killed. Muslims are also killed. By who? Is it we Christians that were killing the Muslims? No. That's not our portion in faith. We love the Muslims. We care for them. And we are ever ready to help them. But yet, they are bent to grab our lands. They are bent to take over our villages. They are bent to take over the state of Plateau State, Benue. They are bent to take over. They have taken over Nasarawa State. And they are bent to take this place. We will fight to finish it. We will defend our land to death. As Adesina said, why shall he want us to lose our life and land? It's better for us to lose our land so that we should remain. Adesina, you have never come across. The power of the cross will crush you. During Buhari, you were defending Islam. No problem. We will maintain our land. They removed Christopher because he was trying to bring justice. And the justice was crushing the terrorists, the people, insurgents that were brought from outside the nation. And they start shouting, oh, they are killing Muslims. Anakasha Muslimi, Anakasha Muslimi. Wallahi, Tinubu, Kachire, Christopher Zegamada, Demu. You thought we don't know? They cripple him. He want to act. They will say it's a genocide. Ribado is there as the advisor. Very wicked advisor. An evil advisor. He could not give advice to protect our land. But he's displaying religion agenda. God will fight for us when the time has come. And all Christians are all you. I urge you all over the world. If you don't pray for Christians in Nigeria, be ready to face the judgment. This is what is happening. We are all living under fear caused by some people. May God be with us. In Jesus' name. Amen. Thank you.
It is not the genocide. Níbi tí odidi 520 people tí wọ́n bá ti lè kú ní ọjọ́ kan. Òun náà ni tí Trump rí àti gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ń competition wípé ó tó gẹ́ alùbàtà ìdarí. Àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí, àwọn ló fà á tí ìjọba ilẹ̀ òkè sọ pé kàkà kí ojúmọ́ rí bí gbogbo ara lóògùn èyí gbé àwọn Christian yìí tí ń dí ọ̀dọ̀ òun, ó ti ń wọn òun létí, wọ́n ti ń pe òun ṣetán láti dá sí. Kò sí tó burú jù ńbẹ̀ torí pé a mọ̀ pé tí wọ́n bá dá sí, a mọ̀ pé wọ́n á wá láti wá ṣàánú, wọ́n á wá láti wá ràn wá lọ́wọ́ torí pé àlùwàlá olóńgbò wọn rèé, ọgbọ́n àti kẹrànjẹ ni, ṣùgbọ́n wọn ò ní jẹran òun ní àjẹtán, wọn ò jẹ ní àjẹsẹ́kù kí àwa náà lè rí nǹkan jẹ. Ṣẹ́ra àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì Nàìjíríà lónìí gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n ń jẹ àjẹtán, àjẹbánu, àjẹbára ni. So kí wá láǹfààní láti protect government tí ò protect àwọn àrò, kí wá láǹfààní láti gbèjà government tí ò gbèjà ará ìlú, kí wá láǹfààní láti gbèsẹ́yìn government tí wọ́n à gbèsẹ́yìn ará ìlú, because tí wọ́n bá ti wá ó ti sure wípé the reform, the transmission of the government will take place. Wọ́n lè ní kí ìjọba yẹn ó kúrò ńbẹ̀, kán gbẹ́ lómi síbẹ̀, nǹkan ló lè, àwọn oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ló lè ṣẹlẹ̀. Eléyìí tí àwọn ìjọba yìí tí wọ́n ń try láti protect sọ pé Nigeria is a sovereignty nation. Ta ni ó mọ̀ pé sovereignty nation ni tí ikú fi ń pa ọmọdé? Ta ni ó mọ̀ pé sovereignty nation ni tí ikú fi ń pa ẹni aláìṣẹ̀? Ta ni ó mọ̀ pé sovereignty nation ni tẹ́ ẹ fi ń fi ìyà, tẹ́ ẹ fi ń pa aláìṣẹ̀? Gbogbo yín lẹ mọ̀ náà. Ṣùgbọ́n kílẹ̀ sí agbára military ò ká, agbára àwọn DSS ò ká, agbára àwọn army ò ká, ṣùgbọ́n agbára DSS, agbára army, agbára police, agbára yín ká láti lè mú ordinary streamer, ordinary content creator tó kàn sọ̀rọ̀ lásán, agbára yín gbé láti lọ gbé within 24 hours kẹsàn pé ti mọ́lé kẹ́ni tó sọ yẹn ò dáa. Ṣùgbọ́n agbára yín ò gbé ẹni tó ń pa ènìyàn, ẹni tó ń gbẹ̀mí ènìyàn. agbára yín ò gbé kí wàá la wá ń sọ pé kíjọba kan mọ́ táwa ní kí Trump kó mọ́ intervene ẹ jẹ́ kí Trump ẹ jẹ́ kó intervene eléyìí ni ó jẹ́ kó ní kálukú mọ̀ wípé kò sí ohunkóhun tá à ń ṣe tá a ṣe láṣegbé àṣepamọ́ ló wà because tá a bá tètè sọ ìjọba gan ò ní mọ̀ wípé àwọn aráàlú gan lòdì sí ìwà táwọn ń wù yìí ìwà tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè dáàbòbò wá tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè protect wá tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè gbà wá lọ́wọ́ àwọn tí wọ́n ń pa wá gbogbo àwọn ènìyàn ni wọ́n ń pariwo pé gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ẹ̀ wá ràn wá lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ rí nǹkan kan sí àwọn tí wọ́n tún dìde tó jọ́ mọ òlù tó jọ́ mọ onílùú tí wọ́n sọ wípé àwọn ṣe tá àtún tún dáàbòbò wá níṣẹ́lẹ̀ tó lé wọn kúrò lù ú níṣẹ́lẹ̀ tó lé wọn lẹ tó pààyàn síbẹ̀ tí ò sì sí anything tó ṣẹlẹ̀ then kí wọ́n la wá ń dúró fún ìjọba fún ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn ìjọba tí wọ́n ní nǹkan èròjà tí wọ́n fi lè ràn wá lọ́wọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n máa wọlé bọ̀ léyìí nìkan sì ní ọ̀nà tí gbogbo wa lè gbà tá a lè fi ní ìsinmi a mọ̀ pé kò sí tit for tat ní trade by baton òun ni because mo gbọ́ tí Ministry of Foreign Affairs US tó sọ wípé kí wọ́n lọ build military base wọn sí kọ́tàkọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n lọ build ẹ̀ síbẹ̀ epo ọ̀hún náà ṣó ṣàǹfààní fún wa ní epo ọ̀hún ṣó wúlò fún wa epo ọ̀hún sáárì lò a kò kárí góòlù tí wọ́n wà ò kárí gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n wà àwọn kan ni wọ́n jókòó sí díẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń jẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ káwọn tí wọ́n bá yẹ pé wọ́n wà wọ́n á sì rí effective fún wọn wípé lóòótọ́ ohun tẹ́ ń kó yìí òun náà ni tó ń fún wa ní security ohun tẹ́ ń kó yìí òun náà ni tó ń dáàbò bò wá tá a fi lè jáde ká sùn ká wọlé ká sùn ká fi ẹ̀dọ̀ lórí òróǹro ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ wọlé bọ̀ mo fi ní ẹ wọlé o Trump military ẹ máa bọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n máa bọ̀ bóyá léyìí bóyá ajẹ́ dín wàhálà àti ìfòòró èyí tó ń kojú àwọn ọmọ aláìlẹ́nìkan àwọn ọmọ aláìlóbìí àwọn ọmọ aláìlára àwọn ọmọ aláìlẹ́nìyàn èyí tó ń kojú wọn lóde Nàìjíríà bóyá ajẹ́ dín wàhálà wọn kù torí pé àwọn tí wọ́n ní ká máa wáyé àwọn tí wọ́n ń jẹ nínú wàhálà tí wọ́n ń jẹ nínú fìtínà tí wọ́n ń jẹ nínú ìṣòro tá à ń kojú àwọn náà sọ wípé kí ni Trump bọ̀ wá ṣe ẹ jẹ́ kó máa bọ̀ bó tilẹ̀ pé wá ẹ̀ kì í ṣe dídá ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n wọ ẹ jẹ́ ká wò ó bóyá àyípadà lè dé torí pé tí Nàìjíríà ṣe tì tí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ṣe tì tí ìjọba ṣe tì tí àwọn adarí àti àwọn olórí ìlú tí wọ́n ṣe tì agbára ní òka láti bá wa pinwọ́ wàhálà agbára ní òka láti bá wa ṣẹ́gun ọ̀tá agbára ní òka láti bá wa ṣẹ́gun àwọn tí wọn ò kí sọmọ ìlú tí wọ́n rìn wá látòkèrè àwọn máa tọ́ rìn wá àwọn tán wá láti Chad tán wá láti Niger Republic tán wá láti Mali tí wọn kì í ṣe ọmọ òlù agbára ni wọn ò sì ká wọn àwọn tí wọn kàn fẹ́ ṣe ẹrin wọn wá ní tí wọn pọ̀ tó wà rárá o tí wọn ò pọ̀ tó wà minority ni wọn kàn fẹ́ ṣe ara wọn rìn wọn lásán wọn sì wá lágbára ju àwa tá a jọ ọmọ òlù lọ kí wàá ló wá dé sáà ti tán rẹ́rẹ́ ti run nǹkan ti ń ṣe wá àmà ọ̀nà tá a sì fi lè bọ́ òun náà ní gbogbo owó dìde àti sọ pé self determination òun ni ti gbọ́ wọlé àmọ́ tá a bá wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ padà determination ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ rò wù náà gbogbo wa ń pariwo self determination ǹjẹ́ ìjọba Nàìjíríà ǹjẹ́ wọ́n fi àyè gba self determination máa nǹkan tá a mọ̀ sí ṣe John ní Nasarawa tí Fúlàní lọ ká mọ́nú oko tí Fúlàní yìnbọn mọ́ tí ò ràn tí Fúlàní tí wọ́n sá aládàá tí ò ràn àdá tí Fúlàní wá mú bá náà ló fi pa Fúlàní o wọ́n sì tún gbé lọ kóòtù dàtún ní kí wọ́n lọ pa á torí pa Fúlàní now where is self determination níbo ni self determination tí ẹni tó defend rẹ̀ kí Fúlàní má lè pa tó wá fi da àwọn tó wá fi pa àwọn tẹ tó wá ní kí wọ́n lọ pa òun náà our judiciary system is corrupt the government is corrupt àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ citizen ò rí àǹfààní ìjọba then let the government go àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ ordinary common citizen wọn ò rí advantage ìjọba yẹn mọ́ wọn ò rí benefit ìjọba yẹn mọ́ kí wàá la wá ń dúró sí kí wàá la ń dúró mú Donald Trump máa bọ̀ àti ń retí rẹ ò káàbọ̀ ṣe dáadáa lóde ẹ ti rí nǹkan kan and I'm gonna learn in that way.